Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech, and today we will install IntelliJ application in Ubuntu workstation. Okay, and similarly you can apply for other workstations, and we need to just change the command. But okay, so let's start the installation, and I'm going to open Firefox browser because we have Firefox here only, and you can simply type IntelliJ 2025 download for Ubuntu, and you will get the URL. Okay, you can see here I already clicked here and then I am here. Okay, it takes a few seconds to load the application. Okay, I mean a website. Now there is two options. First, you can simply click download and then it will download the Linux or Linux ARM64. And one more option that can be utilized for Ubuntu, you can see here, just scroll down a little bit, and we have a one command, sudo snap install IntelliJ IDEA ultimate and classic. So what I'm going to do is copy the command and open terminal. Okay, and then simply paste it here. Now uh, the main interesting thing is remove the ultimate and type community and hit enter. Put the password and let's wait. It will take 2-3 minutes to download because the size of the IntelliJ is more than 1 GB. Okay, so it will take 2-3 minutes. In between, if you like the channel, kindly do subscribe and share. Wow, I think the actual core data was here because I already installed and removed. So it installed very fast, and you can see. And if you start downloading, you can simply check on your machine. It will download completely the particular application, and it will install automatically. You don't need to do anything. This is the single command will help you to download, install. You just need to come here and search IntelliJ. That's it, and it work. You don't need to worry about anything. This is the simplest way to install application in Ubuntu. You can see here it's loading. Perfect. Now we are inside the IntelliJ, and this is the way we can install. And if you want to remove the application, you can utilize the same command, and you just need to remove classic. That's it. Okay, and it will remove. Just a second, classic, and as well here remove. Okay, it should work. See, this is removed. So this is how we installed and removed IntelliJ in the Ubuntu very fast. So hope you like the video, and do subscribe and let me know if you are facing any issues. I will help you out to fix this. Okay, thank you so much.